How familiar are you with what things can actually be recycled? Do you know? Cardboard? Not old Band-Aids. Old Band-Aids should go in the trash. You'll rip off that top. You can throw the greasy part away and throw the top part. Greasy food, that's considered a contamination. We don't want that mixed in with our recycling. Then another thing we get in our recycle cans quite a bit is styrofoam. Stuff like styrofoam, when it gets squished, it just falls apart. And so when they load it on the truck to take it to Denver, your little chunks of styrofoam are flying around all over the place, ending up on the road and in the ditches and in the water, and that's not good. So we definitely want styrofoam to go in the trash. The biggest thing we get in the trash cans that we don't want are plastic bags. If you get a package from Amazon, it has the bubble wrap. That's a lot like a plastic bag. We don't want that in there either. Tin cans. These kind of tin cans. These are great. Tin cans and pop cans. It's very recyclable. But same thing. If you have any chunks of food, rinse them out and then put them in your recycle container.
And then you just
And then we dump it. And it's ready to go. Other things that we don't want in there. Wood. We don't like wood. Green waste is what it's called. Wood, your lawn clippings. That needs to go to a different facility. That's going to a place that'll be composted or disposed of separately. That is considered a contamination in your recycle can. So most of the cans, they either have stickers on top of the lids that say what you can and can't put in there. So always set them off the curb, and you should have the lid facing towards the street.